SRT Javonte. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna do the front rock guards and the rear rock guards so it doesn't do any rock damage to my car. It doesn't put like chips in my paint or anything. Z01 add-ons for the rear, and then the stock front, yeah, what it come with when you buy a new car.
You wanna go ahead and show them?
Yeah, so we're gonna go right here. Just protect it because as you can see, it sticks out. The tire sticks out because some people, when they don't put it on, it hits up on the rear door and then the rear fender, and you don't want that to happen. And then we also got the Z01 add-on for the rear. It's gonna go right here for the rear so it doesn't kick up anything and hit up on the rear bumper or underneath the rear bumpers too.
Keep this thing clean. 2022.
Yep, 2022. Next year is the last year, so you definitely got to keep your car clean because the value is gonna go up. As I got my dad, he about to take out the clips to put the Z01 add-on rear rock guard.
He said he want help. He said he want to work on the car. He want here. No, he didn't come and help.
So you taking the bottom clip. The middle clip.
Fresh new. Gotta love a new car.
And then the top clip.
You can see it on camera.
Yep.
And he's gonna show you guys how you pop it out. So when this is how the clip looks. You want to use a flathead, pry this piece up, and then go underneath and pull this one out, and the whole thing will come out.
And you're using back the stock clip just to put the Z01 add-ons on.
Yep.
The package. Only using 3 holes.
2020. This is right there.
I will put the description, the link for the rock guards so you can buy them.
Let's start packing it. It's like Christmas. It's supposed to go like this.
Only 3 holes. This is how you look.
It has like an indentation, as you guys can see. It's pretty nice. It has like so where the clip goes.
Where the clip will sit into.
Yep. So he's gonna hold, and then this is the back. This is how the back looks.
You have like a matte finish.
Yep. That's how it's done.
I'm gonna start with the very top one. Put the clip in, and then you press it in. Now the middle clip.
The other one is in the corner.
It's pretty cool to have like an indent, so it makes it look like it's factory. You don't really even notice the indents.
Right there, right there, and then the other one in the back right there, guys.
Way more better, so you don't see the tire sticking out and kicking out rocks. But that's a good thing to install.
And then it protects all of this, right? All of this down here gonna get protected. That's nice. All down here. Yep.
We're doing the other side, same thing. Taking out the clip, there's 3 clips again. Start with the first one again. Middle. And the bottom one.
Ooh.
Yep.
Yeah, that's it. Yep, that's the rears.
Yep.
I like
Makes it look
Just to see
clean,
the tire.
factory.
You did.
You don't notice it until you see from the back. Now we're gonna start with the front factory Mopar front rock guards. So now we have to start up the car and turn the wheel so we can get to it. Or warm start.
It's warm.
front rear guards that.
And this comes with the car, guys. So when you get a brand new 2022,
they have everything in the trunk, all the parts that comes with the car. In the
so
trunk.
the car only comes with the front rock guards. The Z01 add-ons is aftermarket, you have to buy. But it's nice that Mopar comes with these front guards. But the only bad thing about it is they use what?
Rivets.
Rivets. That's the only thing. So you got to have a rivet gun, a plastic rivet gun, to be able to do this job. So right now we're going to take out the clips. And there's only what? 3 clips that has to come out. So there's 2 open holes right there. And then there's these 3 right there. Wash your paint and stuff, guys. Luckily this is a new car, so everything's coming off smoothly. Oh. Okay, he's getting rid of that. I guess we don't need that. Just of course, guys, watch your paint and stuff. So all 3 is out. That's how they look.
Okay, you gotta push these things here.
Yeah, because the top one is like not lined up.
Okay. So you gotta push these, pull these things back together like that with the thing.
It's through.
So you stick it through the hole, and now you
Where
gonna put
the
the gun.
You want more rivets?
Put the other one in there to hold it.
So you're gonna stick some of the rivets in there to try to hold them in place so you can be accurate in the holes. So make sure it doesn't move.
Give me another one. Let me put one here.
He's making sure it goes to the rock guard, to the fender liner.
Yeah. That and one goes in here, right? Let me get another one.
Doesn't the clip go there? I thought we had a clip there.
You can do 4.
You sure that's gonna work here?
Yeah, it should.
Yeah, this one here a little. It's more loose than the other ones. Okay, let me see.
I just hope this thing works.
Yeah, I hope that's what I want to know.
Yep, there you go. So I guess at like a certain point of using the 2, it started pushing the rod in, and then finally snaps.
Just be careful. Come on this side, you want to?
Push it in, force it, and then it snaps.
You okay?
Yeah. Is it gonna work for this big hole here? This one here with this big hole?
It should.
Put force. And then it snaps again in.
Just be careful of the wheel, guys.
Okay, so
Come
you
in, turn it inside. They moving, right?
there you go. Now you got it in place.
Alright.
All the rivets are in.
Except for the one all the way at the
This
bottom.
other one from all the way in the
But we're
bottom.
just gonna put the thing in.
You wanna use one of this?
Yeah, we're just gonna use one of
We're
those.
gonna use one of the original clamps that was in there.
I mean, you could put all rivets, but you'll have to take the wheel off. If you don't want to take the wheel off,
Yeah.
I guess you could use one of these back. Yeah. Yeah, you feel firm with it, with them, with just rivets.
So you put in one all the way to the bottom clamp. This the driver's side. Got 4 rib nuts holding, and then the bottom is just the clip. The last bottom one is just the clip. So now protects the side of the car for rock chips.
Yeah. It works. It works. All I have to do was just
A little
hold
piece
the back
stick
of
it
the
out.
The thing.
The plastic
Make sure you don't get no rock
go out,
chips.
go through
But
all of them. That's all they need.
we're gonna do the passenger side now. We're doing the passenger side, now we're taking out the clips to put the rock guards on. Take out the bottom one.
Yeah, the 3 clips with this take out.
Oh yeah, 3 clips.
And now
And
we're gonna install this on here now.
And now we got the rivets. We're gonna line them up again to make sure it's accurate in the holes. There's 1, 2, and 3, and the line 4 in the middle, and the 5th one in the bottom. For the 5th one in the bottom is going to be the clip.
Alright, just to hold it and then let me go down here so you could see.
So now we better,
See, right?
yeah. Now we're gonna put the rib nuts in. He sticks it in the hole, he puts it in there, and then you just start using the tool, and then eventually it hits a point where you can just clip it. And there you go.
Okay, so wait, this one look like that. Yeah, this one looks like that. Okay, we cut that one off.
Now we're gonna do the second one. Apply pressure towards the rivet. Eventually it hits that point where you gotta clip it. Start feeling tension.
Well, why these ones why these ones ain't going anything in flat? Okay, that one is fine.
Next one in.
So what you have to do with that one?
Get easy.
What do you have to do?
I don't know.
You want me to turn the wheel a little bit?
We're gonna find out what we're gonna do with them now. Whether we're gonna take them out, we're gonna still use them.
Do we turn the wheel? Watch the wheel. Watch the wheels.
There you go, that's the last one.
I don't know why these ones seem like that.
Now we're going to put in the last clip. Most like you want to use the longer clip that you took out.
Yeah, you want to use the longer one or the
For the
better.
last one so it can fit in. Try to push the body of the car towards it so it makes sure it clips in good. By the back of the body. There you go, you hear it click.
Yeah, there we go.
There you go. And finish both sides.
Yeah, we good.
Now the car is protected from rock chips. That's definitely, you gotta do this. The first thing you gotta do to your car is make sure you put these on so you don't get no rock chips.
Show him handyman. Use a little blade. If you guys run into this issue, boom.
There we go.
There we go.
That's it.
Looks nice. What you think?
It's good.
It's definitely, it looked different. It blends in a lot too,
yeah,
right?
so you don't really notice it, but at least it's doing its job.
Have a little bit more protection.
Plus, don't forget that little plastic piece on the rear fender. Make sure you don't take these off. They protect you from rock.
Yeah, here's like a little film right here. But we're gonna PPF this whole back piece anyway.
Yep.
And this is the ZR1 add-on rear guards. It's hard to see on camera, but this is how it looks.
Something.
Looks good. Very. I like how the Mopar ones are really nice. So one thing I noticed is you can still see the tire rolling. When the tire starts moving in the rear, you can still see it sticking out. Yep. So you still get to see that tire from the rear. That's nice. That's nasty.
At the end of the video, we finished installing the front factory Mopar rock guards and then the ZR1 add-on rear rock guards. I will put the link in the description for the ZR1 add-ons. But if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.